If one email a week could generate $500,000 a year, everyone would be doing it. So when I hear he makes $500K per year with one email a week, I don't think simple. I think, what's actually doing the heavy lifting? Chris says Tyler built a 120,000 subscriber newsletter generating over $500K a year, mostly profit. Now, let's break that down and see what's actually going on. $500,000 per year is about $41,000 per month. That doesn't come from vibes. If it's sponsorships, you'd need multiple premium sponsors every month paying serious rates. That only works if your audience is highly targeted and engaged. If it's paid subscriptions at $10 per month, you'd need around 4,000 paying members. That's a 3–4% conversion rate. For most beginners, that's extremely high. If it's high-ticket masterminds or backend offers, then it's not one email. It's selling premium products behind the scenes. And here's what gets buried in the headline. He didn't just write emails. He built a referral engine, paid ad funnels, monetization partnerships, years of audience trust. The email is the delivery method. The system is the business. Mostly profit sounds clean. But paid ads cost money. Software costs money. Teams cost money. High margin? Probably. Effortless? No. So yes, newsletters can be powerful, but it's not one email doing $500K a year. It's leverage, distribution, and back-end monetization. That's the difference between a tactic and a real business.